What's up, guys? So here's all you need to have a lot of fun with photography. So this is the Canon EOS RP. It's a full frame camera and it's actually really great for photography. It's good for video if you want to use 1080. I like to vlog on it. The 16mm is good for vlogs or like wide angle shots if you're out in the street or something like that. I like this extra grip because it's kind of small for my hand normally, especially if you're using a big lens like this. Now this is one of my favorite lenses for wildlife photography. This is the 800mm RF lens, and this is great for, portraits of people in the street that are really far away, or birds, wildlife like deer, stuff like that. It's huge, but it's not that big for an 800mm lens. And then if you want to do some more portraits of people close up, the 50mm is a really fun lens and super cheap, great deal. So yeah, this would run you about $500 used. This would run you about $150. The body I got for like $400. This lens was $190 on eBay. So all this stuff together, over $1,000, but not that expensive really for what it is. Full frame camera and a setup with all these different focal lengths. So I think it's a really good deal. What do you guys think? I really actually do like the RP for YouTube content. It's full frame, it's got a flippy screen. With that 16, it's a pretty compact setup for what it is, a full frame camera with a wide angle lens at 2.8. I think it's a pretty good setup for YouTube, honestly. It's got the input, it's got good autofocus and everything. And I really just shoot most of my YouTube videos in 1080 anyway. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section below. If somebody got a low budget of like $500 for a body, I think I would suggest this. So scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit the subscribe button because I got a lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching.